Hey guys, this is the installation video of the Tech News templates installation. Guys, you if you're not aware, if with WordPress, you will be needing a hosting platform, a web hosting platform. This is a server that hosts all your information so that people can access it online. So you will be needing a hosting server for your news tech newsplate template, and you'll be hosting that through WordPress. So one of the best WordPress hosting servers is Green Creeks, in my opinion. It's only $3 a month, and guys, with the installation, literally they have 24/7 out 24/7 support. So, and their support is amazing. Like really, they will do everything for you. Like if you get stuck, they'll just install everything for you. So these guys are so good. If you're wanting to figure out how to install this tech newsplate template yourself, go ahead and do it. And you have your own hosting platform, go ahead and do it. But if you just want someone to get in there, do everything for you, these guys will do it, and they're very cheap as well, only $3 a month. So, yeah, check it out, and good luck.